What are you waiting for to jump into content creating? Did I hear you say background? Okay, don't worry, I've got you covered. Yeah, because after all, this background is fake. Yeah, big fake. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to apply this type of background on your videos seamlessly. You know, as a new content creator, some of us, we struggle a lot with our background not being good enough for our videos, not being professional enough and eye-catching and appealing enough for our videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to source this type of background and how you can apply it on your videos. First of all, we are going to go and search for the type of background you want to use. So many people use different type of websites to source their background. Most people use Leonardo.ai, some people use Adobe Firefly and Pinterest. So for the sake of this video, we will be using either Pinterest, and I'm going to also show you how to source it from Leonardo.ai. It's very simple. Just make sure you watch to the end of this video so you can be able to get everything I'm going to be saying step by step, and when you apply it to your own videos, you will see how beautiful your videos are going to actually come out. So let's dive into it. First step now is to create your videos. After creating your videos, we'll head straight to sourcing of these images or backgrounds that we want to use. You can decide to use something like this, or even this. Is totally up to you. So let's dive into it and get these backgrounds. First of all, we are going to use the Pinterest app. Go to your Pinterest app. You have to register, of course. I've already registered, so I'll just go into my account. You search for bedroom backgrounds, because this one here is a sitting room background. So bedroom background, you can see what's giving us. Let's pick this one. I like this one. This is beautiful. Let's pick it. Okay, you can now save it. Now we are going to type office background. Beautiful office background. All right, this is what they gave to us. Now you scroll, you keep scrolling until you find the one that you want. Yes, this is beautiful. Okay, there are a whole lot that you can choose from. Your options are endless. So let's pick this one. I like this. Let's pick this one, and we'll go to save. Remember, you can use any type of background. There is no specific type of background that it's meant for you to use. It's based on your preference. Okay, it's actually based on your preference. Now let's leave Pinterest and head over to Leonardo.ai and get our images from Leonardo.ai. So for you to get these images, you have to actually give it a prompt for it to generate that images for you. So this is the prompt we are going to use. I've already typed it somewhere. I just have to copy and paste. So this is the prompt we are going to use, and now we are going to click OK, and let's see what it gives us. So this is it. Yeah, this is it. So you can see that this is totally different from the other ones. There is a kind of beauty that comes with this one. I can see the reason why people use this one, but the other one is more realistic. This one has this AI type or AI-ish kind of look, if you know what I mean, but it's very, very beautiful. So we are going to use the one for Pinterest, but I just want to show you that you can still get from Leonardo.ai, Adobe Firefly, and there are a whole lot that you can get these images from, these backgrounds from. So let us head straight to editing this background. Head over to our CapCut. We'll click on add the background that we have already saved. We import it here. When we bring it into CapCut, now there's something I want you to know. Before you come to CapCut to do this, make sure they have already filmed your video and saved it. You've done all the cuts and join, all the editing you want to do on your videos. So the only thing you're going to do now is just to overlay it on this background, and that is it, and do minor touch up, and that is it. But if you are going to first of all put this background and overlay your videos that you have not edited already, you see that by the time you'll be editing it, there will be a lot of discrepancies happening. It's not going to be nice. When you cut, it reduces the quality of your videos because, that's why I said, I don't know how to explain, but you have to shoot your videos, record your videos, edit it, download it, let it be in your gallery. Then when you want to do this final step, you can now overlay it, extend the background, extend it. My video is going to be about 10 minutes or 8 minutes long video, I don't know. So let's see, I just increase it to, let's say, 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes, as you can see from here. Now go to the effects. When you go to effects, you type blur effect. That is to blur out the background, because if you don't blur out that background, it's up to you, you can leave it, but if you don't blur out that background, when you are talking, people's attention could be on the background, looking at what is on the background instead of actually listening to what you're saying. So for their focus to be on you, you reduce the opacity of the background. Now this is too blur for our liking. Yeah, I usually reduce mine to 30, 35 maximum. Understand? So 30 is up to you. You can even reduce it or increase it. Is based on your preference. But for me, my personal preference is 30. When we are done with this, we'll go to overlay and bring our video in. So now we are going to bring our video in. This is our video. Now click on the overlay. It's going to come in here. You see it is on top of this, is in front of this background. What we are going to do is to fit the video so it can balance well, so it doesn't look awkward, it doesn't look fake. In as much as it's fake, you don't want to make it look more fake than it is already. So we are trying to make it as realistic as possible. Yeah, so that is the downside about using a fake background. At times you just make sure you're not moving your body so much. When you move your body so much, everything will just be somehow. You try as much as possible. As you can see, if I'm moving my hand, you can even see my real background from so you just have to try as much as possible to reduce the hand movement and gestures. I'm this type of person that like using my hand, my head, my every part of my body to talk. So but I noticed that because I started using this background, I have to limit the way I move my body when talking and when filming. So that is it. Now we are going to remove the background of this my video. So the only background that we're going to be using is the background we brought from Pinterest. So we're going to remove background. So go to remove BG. You click on remove BG. So it's going to load, and when you see that good, when it ticks good, it has gone. So that is it. Now after removing the background, you fit it in very well. After fitting it in very well, as I said, you make sure you've already edited your video. There will be no much thing for you to do now. The only thing for you to do is to stabilize this video. You go to stabilize, you click on stabilize, arrange it in a way that everything is in place. Play with it and see the one that fits your background theme. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. You can even keep on changing background on all your videos, but for you to look professional, I'll suggest you use either one or two and stick to it. It makes you look more organized. In as much as it's interesting and this is fun, don't overdo it. I believe you've learned something. So are you going to be trying this out? It's fun to actually work with this background and see the one that resonates with you, that you like and that you're comfortable with. And please, thank you for watching. Kindly like this video if you've gotten value, and if you want to still be getting content like this, if you want to see videos like this pop up on your timeline, please, I will strongly plead and suggest that you click on the notification button, turn it on. Please do well to check out other videos that we have on the channel. Believe me, they are going to give you much value as you've gotten from this one. In our next video, guess what? I'll be giving you a very, very interesting trick that people are using now to get their 4,000 watch hour. 4,000 watch hour is no longer a big deal now. I have started it. I've already started it. And I know that in the nearest 2 weeks to 1 month to come, I'll be giving testimony, wow, because people are already giving testimony. I want me and you to give testimony. So I'll be coming here to spill the milk. Stay tuned on this channel. Like and subscribe to this channel now so you don't miss that opportunity. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching this video to the end. I love you so much.